So your fascia's loose on your house. It's pulling away from the miter joints. Maybe it's started to bow or twist out. Maybe it's just coming loose. Maybe the nails are backed out a little bit. And that happens often here. Our temperature changes are just extreme. It's 100 degrees every day. So it's cold at night or cooler at night and much hotter during the day. And even if it's winter time, we know the surface temperature might be 25 at night, but the sun comes out and that surface temperature is probably 125 degrees. That just causes that wood to grow, expand, and contract all day long. And that pushes stress on the nails and causes the nails to back out a little bit. So if you've got nails that are backing out of your fascia or the fascia has just started to separate, what we like to do is I like to pull those nails out. So two things with the nails, they're not ring-shank nails. So a ring-shank nail has, think of it like threads around the outside of it. It helps hold it in place. So they're just smooth nails. So I want to put in ring-shank nails, and I always use galvanized nails so they're not going to rust. And so we can put that in there and nail it back together. Now sometimes a nail just isn't going to do it anymore. We're going to pull the nail and put a coated screw in. So my guys know loose nails, pull the nail, because if we just pound it in, it's going to start working its way back out. So pull it out. You either put a ring shank galvanized nail in or replace it with a screw so it doesn't come loose again. Sometimes up on fascia you can see the clip here on the bottom of this fascia, and that's what they use when they're building the home, and they tap that clip under it, and it's got little short brad points on it. It doesn't really hold much. So when they're working loose, we're going to put a screw on each side through the bottom, and it holds that clip up there, and it's not going to go anywhere once we put those screws in. Now, if they would have put the screw in the bottom side of that clip on each side of that miter joint when it was brand new, those miter joints would never come out. The nails might start backing out, but the miter joint is going to stay tight. So we can tighten that up. You've got any other wood replacement, minor wood replacement, maybe you've got a rotted piece of casing, a bad piece of siding, we can take care of that also. So minor carpentry will take care of that. Maybe it's a bad deck board or a piece of rail cap. We'll take care of any of those minor carpentry repairs and then get it prepped and start the painting process.